to announce where we're moving to. Are you guys ready? Drum roll please. Comments. A lot of you guys be like, oh, I wish you lived here. Oh, da 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 da. And it's so crazy because a lot of you guys live where I'm moving to. We are moving to Illinois. We're moving to like close to Chicago, Great Lakes area. So yeah, that's where we're moving to in June. Like we have what, 2 months? Like we're moving in no time. Like it's crazy. So leave me some suggestions, tips down below for moving. I know I moved from North Carolina last year, but this is going to be a whole different type of move because like I'm moving with furniture and just a whole lot of stuff. I feel like I've accumulated a whole lot of more stuff in this year that I've been here, and we're coming up on a year that I have been in Washington State. So I moved here April 12th, and yeah, oh my gosh, it's coming up on a year. Like I've been away, like living away from my family, and it's just so crazy because starting out I was like I would contemplate in my mind every day, like I don't know how I'm going to do this, like moving away from everybody. Even though I was moving here with my husband and my daughter, I was leaving my family, you know. So it's been challenging. I've had my moments where, you know, I was homesick, but overall it's been a great experience. We're still trying to figure out a place to stay, so I just need help, guys. I don't think I want to stay on base because I was looking at base housing there, and y'all, those places look real janky. But if we had to push come to shove, we have to stay on base, then that's what we'll do. I'm thinking about planning a trip to go up there. You know, my nephew's up there right now, so maybe I can go before he leaves and get to see him and everything like that. So that's what I am thinking about right now. So I need some suggestions, some help. What good websites? I went on like Zillow and rent.com, I think, like a lot of different websites, like looking for places to live. So leave me some suggestions down below, because the process last time, like moving here, was a little bit easier. It is Monday night. It is Monday, March 25th, and guess what I got? I got me some Chick-fil-A. Y'all know Chick-fil-A is my favorite. I can't even talk. My favorite. And the reason I got it is because we're up here at the airport. We're picking up Sean's little cousin. He's coming here, staying with us for spring break. So he's going to be here with us for a week. His birthday is coming up, so he's going to be here celebrating his birthday with us. So maybe we'll go indoor skydiving, do something adventurous and just fun. So Sean just went in the airport to go pick him up, like to go get him. It's his first time flying, so hopefully he had a really great flight. So yeah, Skylar's back there in the back. Can you say hey, Sky Pie? Hey. Pretty girl. I just had to put her back in her car seat. We was just sitting and waiting for him. We got here like an hour early. But yeah, if you guys are not yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button. What you waiting for? Hit that subscribe button. This man is looking at me like, girl, who are you talking to? Why are you talking to a camera? Have you had a great day? You have? That's good. What are you watching? Huh? Come. You can't get out right now because mommy may have to move, okay? You want to listen to some song? Don't throw that down. Yeah. Life with a toddler. While we're just sitting here, let's get some motivation in. So I was on Pinterest. Y'all already know I love Pinterest. So this really stood out to me, and it says sometimes you have to stop being scared and go for it. Either it will work or it won't. That's life, and that is so true. The beginning of this year, I said, you know what, I have to step out of my comfort zone because there's so many things I want to do, so many goals I want to meet, and I can't get there being scared. So sometimes you just have to take a leap of faith and just go for whatever it is that you want. Either it's gonna work or it won't. At least you'll be able to say, you know what, I tried. And whatever it is, just put your all into it. So I was like, you know what, it could be the littlest thing, like, you know, just go for it, go for it, go for it. You never know the outcome. So that's my message for you guys today. Just take that leap of faith and go for whatever it is that you want to go for, big or small, whatever it is. We're in Target, guys, and actually I'm supposed to be at the airport waiting for Shonda, but I went around like the airport, and I usually don't like miss the exit to go back around to the terminals, but I ended up getting back on the highway, and I got off on the exit and I had to use the bathroom, so I was like, let me just go in Target real quick. And now I'm in here looking around. They haven't called me saying that they ready or anything, so I'm just gonna look real quick and then head back to the airport. So they just won't be up there waiting, but they probably haven't even got the bags yet. But can you say hey? Hey. Pretty girl. Is that the pretty girl? Can you say mwah? We just got back to the airport. We are stuck in traffic because there has been a wreck. So traffic is like really backed up, and the ambulance was just trying to get by. I'm like, where do I supposed to go? So everybody's trying to get over. I'm like, y'all calm down, because we're about to have a whole nother wreck. Skylar. Hey baby. Come on, let's go check the mail and get the trash can. What's up, guys? So it's the next day, and this morning woke up and get your butt over here. This morning we woke up and I cooked some breakfast, as you can see. What are you talking about? What are you talking about? Come on, let's go check the mailbox. What are you talking about? My neck. Skylar, I'm going to hold your hand. Stop. No. Skylar. Get it together. Come on. I'm going to hold your hand. Okay. You shut the door. Thank you, Skylar. Later in the afternoon, and we just got to Sean's game, so right now they're just warming up. Skylar. Uh-oh. I have never been to one of Sean's games and they losing like this. Like, never. It always be like a close game, y'all. This is just horrible. When halftime, the score was 39-9. They only had 9 freaking points. Like, what the heck? So I brought Skylar to the little playroom. It's like the playroom and workout room, where basically you can come if you got kids, work out, and then it's a little play center over there. And then I'm right here at the window watching them play the game. But she's up here watching TV and playing. Hey baby. Hey girl. Ball. You got a ball? Skylar got the ball. When I say this is horrible, I mean this game is horrible. Like, what the heck? Like, I had to leave out of there because I was hollering out. I'm like, what the heck are y'all doing? Like, their defense, the other team defense is on point. We're at the grocery store, and guess what we're having tonight, guys? Crab legs. My favorite, my absolute fave. I'm getting some potatoes to go in the pot. These potatoes look all, ooh. I hear Skylar, y'all. I hear my baby. I hear her. I knew I heard you. Hey girl. Hey girl. I heard you, girl.
Now look. Now look.
Sky, get daddy. Go get daddy. Go get him, Sky. That's what they do 24/7. They just play. Can't take them nowhere. Ooh, look at the crab legs. Ooh. Back. Put it back. Skylar. 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 Put it back. Come back. Whenever I come to the grocery store, I have Skylar in the cart. Whenever Sean comes with us to the grocery store, he just let her go freely, picking up everything. Can't. It's your child. I had to get some lemon pepper seasoning because I'm out of it, y'all. I absolutely love lemon pepper seasoning. Like, I put this on so much. Like, I absolutely love the seasoning. I'm trying to think. Do you like to squeeze lemon on your crab? Skylar J. Robinson, what are you doing? What are you doing? Nope. Nope, 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 nope. Y'all don't understand how excited I am to get these crab legs tonight. Skylar. No, no. No, no. Bring your booty this way. Bring it, bring it, bring it. If you didn't know, Red Lobster is one of my favorite restaurants to go to just because I just love their biscuits, honey. And I just love crab legs. But yeah, I gotta make these. So the last time I cooked my seafood boil, a lot of you guys were like, how did you make that? So I'm going to tell you guys everything that I'm doing. So y'all saw the little potatoes that I got at the grocery store. I got these and I just cut them in half right here. I'm getting ready to wash them off, and then I'm going to put them in my pot to boil, and I let them get a little soft before I put them in my big pot with like my crab and my shrimp and corn on the cob and all that stuff. So yeah, let me get that cooking. I'm so ready for these biscuits. I did get a lobster tail, but I'm not even going to cook it tonight. I can't even find my kitchen scissors, so yeah, I ain't about to struggle with that. So I'm just gonna have crab, shrimp, corn. I put some broccoli on, a few carrots in there because Skylar loves carrots, and the potatoes. So that's more than enough. So here's what the biscuit's supposed to look like, and here's what they're looking like before I put them in the oven. Hopefully they come out right. I did everything right, so we'll see. I have my corn in there and my shrimp. The biscuits came out really good. Skylar absolutely loves them. Here is the finished product. Here's everybody's food, and I am so sorry, guys. I couldn't really show y'all how I cooked it like I wanted to because Skylar started acting crazy and she just wanted me. And my biscuits, I put them back in the oven just because I wanted them to stay warm, but they smell so good. Shine, come on down. Sky, is your corn good? Sky, your corn good? Mm-hmm.
It tastes like it.
This is the end of the vlog. I hope you guys have enjoyed this vlog. Dinner was bomb.com, bangin' slangin'. I hope you guys have had a wonderful, marvelous day. Skylar is knocked out. She went to sleep in my lap when we was down there eating. They enjoyed dinner. It was so good, so good, so good. I'm super full. I'm getting ready to get me a good old shower, get in the bed, and knock out. I know they'll probably be up late tonight playing the game. They've been playing 2K. And then tomorrow we are thinking about going horseback riding, so that's going to be so much fun. So make sure you guys stay tuned for the next vlog. I'll see you guys next time. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Facebook. And I'm thinking about getting a Twitter. How many of you guys are on Twitter? But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next vlog.